Morning everyone. My name is Joe. I am the Toaster Freak. I got a question recently about a 1B14 timing mechanism and how it actually works. So I decided to put out this little video. So here we have an old 1B14 from my junk pile, and we're looking in at the timing mechanism. So we have here the bimetal strip. Now, the bimetal strip is composed of two parts. One is the strip itself, which is this little flat bar here, and the other is the mechanism. Don't have any cool name for it, but there it is. And when you start the toaster, then it starts heating up. You have these little heating coils right here that heat the bimetal strip. When it does, the two pieces diverge. They move like that. So when that happens, this lower part here swings over till it contacts this adjustment nut. Then this part, after it contacts that nut, builds enough pressure to push, keep stuff out of the way, to push that over to set it. Now then, when that happens, this bit down here pops up and turns off the current to these heaters and begins to cool back down. Now there's a little T-shaped crossbar you might be able to see. It goes across that way, and it catches on a little bar right down here. Now when it does that, because it's cooling and it's moving back together, then it pulls this over and stops the toasting cycle, pops it up. And that's the way the timer controls the pop-up mechanism. So that's about all there is to it.